The Competition and Markets Authority, that's the CMA, is a non-ministerial government department that enforces competition and consumer law in the UK. The CMA also regulates the rules regarding protection of no claims discount offered by private motor insurance providers. What is no claims discount? Hey, it's CJ. Let's talk. No claims discount is a discount earned for not making a claim within a cycle. For most insurers, a cycle is defined as a policy term. If you have no claims at all from the start of your policy up until the end of the policy, from start date to the expiry date, let's assume you've got an annual policy, then you would have earned 1 year no claims discount. And that's the way that insurance companies tell how good you are, how careful you are driving around, and they reward you for being careful. Some companies refer to these as the no claims bonus. So either a no claims discount, NCD, or no claims bonus, NCB, is exactly the same term. The whole idea is you gain a couple of bonuses or discounts that can be quantified, and with that you'll be able to reduce your premium on the insurance policy. So if you take out your car insurance, some companies actually offer up to 30% if you've got up to 1 year no claims discount, and they keep topping that up, and sometimes it could get up to 70% depending on the number of years that you've got as your number of years of no claims discount. There are a couple of business rules that govern the no claims discount usage across various private motor insurance providers in the UK. A few of them are common, whereas most of them are dependent on the company's business rules and terms and conditions. So the onus is on you to do your due diligence, read up the information about your no claims discount so that you'll be able to have a clear understanding of what the company is offering you. If you're enjoying the content, you can do well to please subscribe and then hit the like button. You can also hit the bell so that you get notified each time we post a new content. And trust me, the contents are going to be rich and will keep you informed. And the whole idea is to enable you to make the right decisions, to make informed decisions as regards your insurance in the UK. Let's talk about the business rules governing the no claims discount. There are a few companies that may allow you to earn your no claims discount as a named driver, but that's quite rare. You may need to find out from the insurance provider if that is allowed. However, most providers would expect that as a policyholder, if you keep driving without making claims at the end of a policy year, you'd earn 1 year no claims discount, and that gets added to the previous number of years you've got. Most insurance providers will allow you to transfer your no claims discount bonus to another vehicle. To further explain that, if you've just done a change of vehicle and you've got the same policy running, so let's say the policy starts today and it's going to expire in the next 12 months, and then a few months down the line you buy another car and you do a change of vehicle on the policy, that does not impact your no claims discount. Your no claims discount keeps running. However, if you take out a brand new policy, so let's say because you've got a new car, you've probably found a very good quote online, or you found another price from a different insurer, or it could even be from the same insurer but a brand new policy, you would have to transfer the full number of years of no claims discount you've got to the new one. In that scenario, you may have to lose a few months. If you've not had up to 1 full year running, you'd lose those few months or few days as the case may be, but you'll be able to transfer the full years of no claims discount that you've completely earned over to the new policy. That's absolutely allowed. A few other insurers would allow you to change, or rather to transfer your no claims discount So let's say you've had a car all along, and for some reason you want to sell it off and get a van instead. Some insurance companies would allow you to transfer your no claims discount bonus from your car policy to the van policy. There are a few other terms that may be attached to that. One of the conditions could be that you'd have to take out the van policy with the same company for that to happen. But again, it varies from provider to provider. So feel free to talk to your insurance provider or read up their guidelines online and find out what is obtainable in your situation. It is also expected that you shouldn't be without cover for more than 2 years in order to retain or in order to keep your no claims discount bonus valid. So let's say you've had like 5 years no claims discount, and for some reason you want to stop driving, maybe health reasons, or probably you've sold a car and you've not been able to get another car, or maybe you're traveling out of the UK and you're going to be away for more than 2 years. So basically, if you are without an insurance policy for more than 2 years, you would lose your no claims discount. But as long as it's less than 2 years, you'll still be able to have a valid no claims discount by the time you take out a new policy. In other words, if you have like 5 years no claims discount and you stop driving for some time, as long as you're able to come back and take out a new insurance policy within 2 years, you would still be able to retain your 5-year no claims discount bonus. Generally, the no claims discount is not transferable to another party. However, some insurance companies have a few exceptions. For instance, in the event of the death of a policyholder, or if for some reason, maybe due to an accident, the policyholder is no longer able to drive, some insurance companies would allow the policyholder to transfer the no claims discount bonus over to their spouse or maybe their partner. Again, you need to find out from your provider if that is allowed, and then try to maximize it. Another expectation around the no claims discount is that it should be earned in the UK. So most insurance providers would expect that you earn your no claims discount bonus while driving in the UK. Again, there are a few exceptions, but you have to find out from your provider if they allow you to probably transfer your no claims discount from a different country altogether. Some companies would consider that, especially if you've been in the armed forces and you've had to drive abroad, or if you have taken out an insurance cover in another country from a UK-based insurance provider. So just find out what works. Another basic rule that you need to know is that the no claims discount is capped by most insurers. So for a very large number of insurance providers, they cap it at 9 or more years. So if you've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, by the 9th year, that's the cap, all right? No matter how many more years you've got after 9, it will just appear on your policy or on their system as 9 or more years. That does not mean that they've lost count of your cover. It basically means that all the other discount values after 9 years are within the same bracket as 9 years. If the maximum discount they're going to give is, let's say, 50%, when you attain 9 or more years, it then means that's going to be the flat. If the maximum discount is like 10% when you've attained 9 or more years, then that's the flat. So no matter how many years you've had after 9 years, it's the same bracket. A few insurance providers stretch this to 15 years, but whatever works, it's just a matter of finding out from your provider what they've got. A lot of people probably, you've had like 12 years, no claims discount, and then in your policy, you get to see 9 or more years. That may trigger some questions, you begin to wonder what they've done, whether they've taken off your years. No, it's just because the system is capped at 9. So you've been driving for 25 years, so you type in 25 years of driving without making a claim at all. But then when the policy gets generated, you'd see it capped at 9 or more years. It's absolutely okay. Just find out if that's the maximum category for the company and align accordingly. But the good thing is, if you want it written out, if you want the number of years written out in black and white, you can also request for that from your insurance provider, and they'll manually write you to say you've got, let's say, 13 years no claims discount or 28 years no claims discount. As long as you are able to provide the evidence of the number of years you've got, and as long as the insurance company is able to validate that evidence, then it won't be a problem to give you a bespoke letter and show the number of years you've got. If you crash while driving and you are at fault, most insurance companies would reduce your no claims discount bonus by 2 years. So let's say you have 1 year no claims discount, and then you crash and you make a claim. If you are at fault, the company would drop your no claims discount to 0. Other companies would let you know how many years they would reduce it by, so it's just left for you to find out, but generally it's usually 2 years. The protected no claims discount is actually a feature which is offered at an extra cost by all the insurance companies, or let's say most of the insurance companies. The whole idea is for you to kind of protect your no claims discount, and it stops you from losing your no claims discount if you have a number of fault claims within a certain defined period. It all depends on the policy, the business rule of the insurance company. Let's say the company works with a maximum of 2 fault claims in a 3-year period. Your no claims discount protection means that if you take up that additional feature on your policy, then you will be able to make 2 fault claims in a 3-year period without reducing your no claims discount. Some companies also offer 3 fault claims in a 3-year period. It all depends on the company. You may again want to compare company to company and find out which of the features that will best suit your situation. Some companies would allow you to make 3 fault claims without reducing your no claims discount. However, it is very important to note that the no claims discount protection doesn't protect the overall cost of your insurance premium. When you crash and you make a claim, you become a higher risk, so the cost of your insurance premium may go higher, especially if it's a fault claim. Let's compare these 2 scenarios. Policyholder A has no protection of his no claims discount. He's got 3 years, or let's say 4 years no claims discount. If he crashes and makes a claim, let's assume it's a fault claim, so the insurance company couldn't recover their cost, policyholder A's no claims discount will be reduced to 2 years, because they've got 4 years and they've crashed once. All right, let's assume policyholder A has got 2 years no claims discount and it is not protected. If the policyholder crashes and makes a claim, assuming it's a fault claim, the policyholder is going to lose his 2 years no claims discount. So at renewal, his no claims discount will be 0 on the policy. And here's policyholder B. Policyholder B has got his no claims discount protected. So policyholder B probably has paid an extra just to have the whole no claims discount protected. And if policyholder B crashes, let's say once, there will be no impact to policyholder's no claims discount. However, the premium may increase at renewal, but the no claims discount protection would stop the number of years of no claims discount from reducing. So policyholder A has little or no chance, to reduce the cost of the already increased premium. Whereas because policyholder B has still got some years of no claims discount in there, 2 years, still protected, the number of years of no claims discount would enable the policyholder to get a few discount from the increased policy premium. So that kind of explains what we mean by saying protecting your no claims discount is not a guarantee that your premium wouldn't increase. However, it is a guarantee that you wouldn't lose your years of no claims discount. Some companies would allow you to make a few fault claims within specified timeline without impacting your no claims discount. So let's say policyholder B has got 2 years no claims discount and it is protected. If policyholder B makes the first claim within a policy year, nothing happens to the no claims discount. If the policyholder makes a second claim within the policy year, the no claims discount protection may be removed by the insurance company. And if the business rule of the company is that you're giving 2 fault claims in a 3-year period without reducing your no claims discount, it then means if the policyholder crashes a 3rd time and makes a claim within the policy year, then they'll lose their 2 years no claims discount. Okay, so that's basically how it works. What you need to do is find out the number of years of no claims discount you've got. Find out from your insurance provider the business rule surrounding protection of your no claims discount. And basically, that information would let you know how much extra you need to pay in order to protect your no claims discount. And it also will tell you how much discount you'd get at renewal or if you take out a new policy. So in a nutshell, that's how it works. Thanks for staying all through to the end. We've been able to talk about the no claims discount, and we also have reviewed the no claims discount protection. Make use of this information, bring down the cost of your insurance policy by some quids, and just be happy you've done so. See you in the next video.